Nzama ya Mangavana yienda Maseneta mamakwate mbau kwa vinya onthe kusukumia silikali itiuukye Mauthukumi onthe ala mailite kwitha mokoni Mangavana nzia imwe ya kunenga vinya uthukumi wa silikali sia Kaunti kwisila ukolanya wa koti. Nzama no kwisila kwimwene kivila wa Nzama ya mwaki kana energy Gavana Mohamed Ali wa Marsabit yienda muvya wa kulunga sekte ya mwaki EPRA uvenu uthukumi wa kunenga ne license ya viasala ila si sektani ino ya mauta taudhosya wa mauta license ya viasala wa ivetu lo vamwe na nzeve ya gas. Mangavana meweta vaitonekana Mauthukumi makaende ya kuungamwani silikali nene oilave sikienesa ni Mauthukumi maungu wa silikali sia Kaunti. Benjamin Mwaka nukutuelesa.
Mangavana meenda muvya wa kulunga uthukumi sektani ya mauta na mwaki wa EPRA wege kulikilila Mauthukumi ma silikali sia Kaunti alame sektani vala mwene kivilo Nzama Mangavana ya mwaki Gavana wa Kaunti ya Marsabit Mohamed Ali niwata vya Senate kana nzia ini kuikivya Kaunti nisiedhu wana mwana museo nthini ukolanya wa koti kwisila license sektani no.
The Energy Act of 2019, 5th Schedule Part 2B, Section 2A to G, and the County Energy Regulation Section assigns the county governments the following functions: regulation and licensing of retail petroleum service stations, regulation and licensing of county gas reticulation systems, regulation and licensing and supply of retail coal products for domestic use, regulation and licensing of designated parking for petroleum tankers. Therefore, the county governments have authority to impose certain levies and charges within their jurisdictions. And some national regulators like EPRA undertake licensing functions that have been devolved to county governments, creating a potential double taxation. The council recommends that national regulators like EPRA be barred from undertaking devolved regulatory functions.
Avikite mbewanza mabunge ya Senate ya mwaki na mauta Gavana Mohamed nwaweta ni ilovia hii ila Kaunti sia kwata kuma sektani itonetha sia magavana kwa ilia malelu na maendeo pulalu milelia uni uthukumu wa silikali sia Kaunti.
The levies and licenses are intended to raise revenue for the county governments while assuring infrastructure development aligns with local priorities and standards. On levies and licenses affecting energy sector, county governments charge levies on petrol stations and gas retail stations. These levies include single business permits and fire safety compliance certificates. Additionally, some county governments issue petrol stations an operating license based on functionality.
Indono uyovo member zamani matongwe ni Senator wa Kaunti Lovi Edwin Sifuna meweta Kaunti binge hii na utoni wa kuthuima withianu wa viasala ila si sektani no enongitha EPRA yiende kuungamia maundu ma license sektani no kana kuzia mwisho na mbanga kula kwi NNV.
Part of the problem with the Mradify, and I can see the council here recommending that EPRA should not be undertaking devolved regulatory functions. First of all, we here, I think, recommended that the county governments should only have issued a permit for a business such as Mradi or even a petrol station upon seeing authorization from EPRA, because they are the technical people who would be able to address even your safety concerns there. But what we saw in Mradi is somebody comes and obtains a permit, they say they are going to do whatever business they are going to do, and then it is issued without any further questions by the county governments. So on this particular one, Governor, I think it is you people who should get out of issuing licenses for such businesses.
Let us be seen to be doing something for our people, because our people now are trying, they are at the edge, and that is why some of them are shouting somebody must go. It is not that somebody, the problem is us in the leadership. We must all bite the bullet and say, let's do our part. Collectively, we'll have done the service to our people.
Na Mangavana meenda Maseneta mamakwate mbau nthini wa muungamo uno kana kuikivya silikali sia Kaunti ni sia kwata vina kukitia akisio muno yulu wa Mauthukumi onthe ala matiukiwe ni katiba.
We appeal to the senators who have been defenders number one of the counties. At least, as always, you have always been on our side, on the side of devolution. We've always counted on you, and even in this, we count on you to be on our side as always.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa musini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.